supposed to be a big giant moon tonight, but I think Herbie told you that earlier. So I was informed moments ago.
Tell us.
Actually, I was told earlier that all these flashes in the sky were something called heat flashes. And I was like, what the hell is that? You know, my mom went through heat flashes many years ago. I never heard of it. Maybe it's a Midwestern thing or something, I don't know. But I said it looks like lightning to me. So now they're saying that it actually is lightning over here. And there's a slight possibility that it may shut things down, but we're just going to vibe that shit out of here. Just vibe it away. Just go over that one. That's pretty sweet, actually.
You're provoking it! We need rain!
I would suggest, there's a spectacular light show going on in that direction. I would suggest, as we
Bring the rain!
perform, you don't look at us. We're nothing special to look at.
We want it!
Look out there, that's Mother Nature's light show going crazy. So I realized as we got to this song that I hadn't really said much of a hello or said much of anything to you folks, so I'm going to be spieling here for a moment.
It's okay.
First of all, we got to watch Herbie and his gang of monster musicians play earlier, and it was unbelievable, truly inspiring, and it's great to see legends such as Herbie. I've seen him many times over the years. It's great to see him do his thing, and humble, poor, meek little fellows that have to go on after him. With that being said, I'm putting old Lur Lalonde on a big old spot right here because this is the part where Lur gets to shine. And he is one shiny bastard.
Bring the thunder!
Lur Lalonde.
You suck!
And once again, Lur is armed with a white thin-line Telecaster Thunder 6-string piece of furniture. And he's going to wiggle those fingers, assuming JP can hold it together. He's going to wiggle those fingers like nobody's business. And it's going to be a spectacle. But I would still suggest that during this next portion, you watch the skies. Because that's the shit.